Good afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Ted Keller. It was a fine afternoon, a little chilly for the season, but complete sunshine. You can see on the satellite loop. Had an area of cloud in the sky today. You can also see the beginning of that loop. You can see the snow edge right there. Look at that. I'll show you a better image right after this. But snow is something we're going to have to deal with again with a storm system that's going to be passing over south central Missouri late Monday into early Tuesday with some accumulating snow possibilities. I'll cover that here in a second. Let me show you that. What we have here is a satellite that can show not just clouds, but can tell the difference just based on a thermal profile between snow and clouds. So if you just take a look at this, this is the satellite image from around noon today, and you can clearly see the edge of the snow line from that last storm. Of course, we had more of a sleet line here, and of course the heavy snows fell through this area and also through this area as well from that last storm. You can kind of see that, kind of a neat shot. Temperatures at this hour are very nice. We cruised up to around 40 in northern Arkansas. These are the 6 o'clock readings. A lower 40s occurred there, but we are at 34 in Springfield. A little chilly for this time of year. Of course, the normal high temperatures are continuing to climb through February and really start to increase in March, which isn't that far away, coming up here on Friday. Now, what about this winter storm? First, let's take a look at the advisories. And this is zoomed in on Springfield, and there's really nothing technically in effect for the Ozarks. The closest it gets is around Bates and Vernon County up here. This is a winter storm watch. You can see right there. That's valid for late tomorrow, early Tuesday. I'll zoom out a little bit and show you the extent of this here. And so it goes all the way up to Kirksville, and it's actually a blizzard watch around Dodge City. Winter weather advisory is back around Goodland. Now, it's possible a winter weather advisory may be needed for this storm, as it is projected to get into the Ozarks again tomorrow late and into early Tuesday. We'll just have to see how that goes. Well, let's see how this storm is progressing. Take a look at it. Let's go switch from the satellite loop to the model output here, and let me back this up for you a little bit. And this is just one model's opinion, but let me just kind of rock this back and forth, because there's the low right there. See how it just kind of starts, swings in. This is the wee hours of Tuesday morning, kind of goes up to around St. Louis by Tuesday afternoon. And the filling that you see in there, the colors, that's 6 hours worth of snowfall accumulation. So if it's at white, it's above half a foot, 6 inches. So that basically makes a beeline from Wichita to Kansas City during that time frame. So we're not in the bullseye for the heaviest snow, although Kansas City is going to end up with quite a bit combined. But now there is some accumulation. And let me zoom this in here for you so you can see the counties and some of the other cities. So if I kind of rock that back and forth again, this is a 6-hour burst. But if you live around Warsaw, Lake of the Ozarks, just around the Nevada area, you've got a chance of getting 3-4 inches of snow, maybe a little bit more out of this, depending on the exact track. And then this just kind of purplish area here that kind of flies in Tuesday morning. That's about a 1, maybe 2-inch scenario there as it comes in, and that's through the morning hours as that low departs. So that's what we're looking at, and so that may accumulate. I don't know if it'll be enough to keep schools out, although with the thawing that we got today and the 50 probably we'll get tomorrow, we'll probably get the roads clear, at least some of the back roads. So if this adds to that, there may be some cancellations because of this, not because maybe of this particular storm by itself, but the added effect of this plus what we just got the other day. So that's our situation here. Again, Sunday, I didn't emphasize too much. It is expected to be pretty sunny again, and with highs a lot warmer than today, getting up to around 50. This system will start as rain, by the way, on Monday, and then change to snow tomorrow night, or Monday night, rather, and into early Tuesday. That's our weather update here. I'll bring you another one in about 24 hours.